In this video, I want to share with you a boring, not sexy strategy that made $115,000, gained 36,000 subs, 1.6 million channel views, and built an email list of 11,000 people. And get this, YouTube paid us $11,000 to do that, to build that email list. Pretty crazy. So you're probably wondering, all right, Scott, well, how did you do it? Well, I'm going to share with you 5 steps in this process. I'm just going to break them down for you. So let's get into it. Number 1, you need to choose a niche that has a problem. That is the first thing that we did. And the reason why we start there is because that's exactly what I've been doing now for the last 17 plus years, because that's how long I've been here on YouTube. Multiple businesses, multiple 6 and 7 figure businesses, using this plan. All right. And the first thing is always, what is the niche that we're going to target, that we're going to focus, that we can help, and what are we going to help them with? Okay. So that's the very first step. So if you don't have that, that's going to be your first step. The second thing is going to be, we created and posted a simple video strategy that basically just helps solve problems. So I want you to think about this for a second. You have this bridge and you have the one person over here trying to get across the bridge. They want to get over there to this beautiful place, but they need to get across the bridge and they're just not sure how to get over the bridge. Or maybe let's use this analogy. There's little planks. Well, there's only so many planks. We got to keep adding planks till they get there. Well, those planks are little tiny wins, little tiny steps that they need to make. So we need to help them. We need to be their guide in getting them from point A to point B. Okay. So what we have done is always just reverse back. Okay. Usually it's us. We're like, okay, what did I struggle with when I was first starting? And then you're like, oh, I struggled with this. Cool. Let's do a video on that. What's the next thing I struggled with? Oh, I struggled with that. Okay, cool. Let's do another video on that. And so all we're doing is we're creating these steps along the way that's going to get them from point A to point B. All right. Now, the thing is here, this is a big one, is you want to be consistent in this though. And that's the real secret there, is like being consistent. So forget about the views, forget about who's watching. What is that process to get across the bridge that you're going to help someone with? Build that bridge for them. And don't worry about all of the people that are going to watch that later, because there will be people that are going to watch it later. Think about that. All right. So that's what we did. That was the second thing. The third is we always included a free bonus. And that free bonus, in this case, today, I'll share with you right now. We're talking about creating a plan. We're talking about like creating the bridge, right? The steps that are going to help you get there. We created an 18-page guide that walks you through exactly what we did, because we've already done it several times. These are the steps. We created what we call our 100K YouTube creators roadmap, and we're giving it away for free. So this is where we're going to give you a free resource. If you'd like that, by the way, just comment down below 100K, just 100K down below, and we'll send you a copy of that. And what this is doing is it's going to build our email list, and it will build your email list if you follow this process. Okay. And we outline it all in that 100K roadmap, by the way. So you'll comment, we'll see the comment, we will send you a link to the page. You'll enter your name and email address where you want us to send it, and then we'll send it to you. Then you'll be part of our email list. If you want to unsubscribe, you can. If you want to stay, get to know us a little better, we'll continue to help you get across the bridge, and we'll be friends. Like that's cool. That's what we're doing. Okay. So that's number 3. Number 4 is, now that we're building an email list, we need to communicate with that email list. We need to let people know that we're here to help them. So it could just be a very simple email that's like, hey, I just noticed you downloaded the 100K YouTube creators roadmap. Got any questions? Let me know, Scott. That's it. That's the email. Why would I do something as simple as that? Because I genuinely want to help you. Scotty genuinely wants to help you. We are here to help you. And if we do that, guess what it's going to do? It's going to have you start to know us, like us, and trust us. We call that KLT, by the way. All right. So that's the fourth thing. We need to email. So many people I talk to, they're like, yeah, I'm building my email list. I haven't emailed them in 3 months. We got to fix that. All right. So that's number 4. Number 5, and this really kind of brings it all together, is now we have to make offers that genuinely help them of what they need to get across that bridge. All right. And that's exactly how we've been able to start a brand new channel following what we've done for years now. Start a brand new channel, and in 12 months, get it to 36,000 subscribers, get monetized in 89 days, by the way, which is a bonus. It's a bonus. And then we're able to get 1.6 million channel views, 11,000 email subscribers, and we're able to sell over $100,000 worth of help trainings. All right. And we got paid $11,000 from YouTube. All right. So now, little bonus here. Got a little bonus for you for sticking around this long. All right. When you get people results, that is going to pour gasoline on your business. And here's what I mean. If you have someone that has gotten a result, now you get to share that result. What does that do? It proves you know what you're talking about. It demonstrates that you can actually help someone get across the bridge. All right. I'll give you an example. We have a student of ours, Gavin, and Gavin was just like all of us. He started, wasn't getting a lot of views, kept posting, joined our program. He's like, what am I doing wrong? We looked at his stuff. We're like, oh, maybe we'll get a little bit more niche. We did that, fine-tuned a few things, and then kept publishing. Didn't see results right away. And we just kept saying, hey, got to keep going, got to keep consistent. That's the key. And he did. And guess what? He had a video that took off. It's over 500,000 views right now. It blew up his channel. And now he just reported to me the other day, he's over 20,000 subscribers on a channel that had just over 1,000, I believe, at the time. And he's got over 5,000 email subscribers, and YouTube is paying him and he's getting clients. That's just one example. But you see what I just did there? I shared a result, not my result. It's someone else's result, but it just happens that he actually was learning under us. So that's how you can really, really pour gas on the fire for your business. And I encourage you to do the same. All right. Now, the big question that I get all the time is, well, how do you turn YouTube views into sales? Well, that's why I shot this video right here that shows you exactly how to do just that. Watch that video next, and I'll see you there.